About 8 a.m. July 15th, Thursday, Calipatria, coming to inspect the soiling on the solar panels. Okay, here's the soiled solar panels at Calipatria. They got a special weird look to them. Weird. I guess it's like the dust got on them and it rained for just a tiny bit and made these drop marks all over it. We've had these small 10-15% chance of rain events lately, so it must have got a sprinkling of rain, but not enough. Interesting. And continuing the soiling testing, here's pad number 1, transformer pad number 1. And right here, the closest set of modules are the designated reference modules. You can see that the marking there on the frame. RM, so reference module RM1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I tested just a few months ago at the annual inspection, where I washed them, tested them and washed them. So strangely enough, they look just as dirty. There's 5 there that were cleaned a few months ago, and then the rest were cleaned last October, or no, late August, I think. So that's strange. But for this test today, I'm going to test these 5 on the adjacent row, so that I know those haven't been washed since the time the whole site was washed. So I'm going to just do a dirty testing of 5 and a clean testing. I'll wash those and then test them the same 5 one more time. So get ready to test my 5 clean and 5 dirty, then the 5 clean modules at Calipatria. So I got my little bucket set up with the solution, soap solution, 2.5 gallons. And these are the 5 modules. Right here on the end, I've attached the soil sensor. I've removed the little dust cover off the irradiance meter. I've touched the button to turn it on. I've got the thermocouple temperature probe plugged into channel 1 here, and stuck to the back of the module very carefully. So that's ready. Here's the 5 modules, and the instrument is hanging there within reach of the solar panel leads. Since the J boxes are on the downside, it's morning, and they're on the low side, the way the instrument hangs with the strap, I can get the first 2 modules without moving that instrument. Then I just have to pop over one bay and test the 3rd and the 4th and the 5th modules. It should take about 15 minutes. I've turned them both on. They're solid lights. It looks like they're acquired. The server is in the Solmetric PV Analyzer 1500. That's a Wi-Fi server, and the brains, and the soil sensor connects to that, and also my laptop will connect to this PV Analyzer. As soon as I open up the software, let's see what happens. Okay, I tested the first module. It shows 79.8 power factor, and that's what we were expecting, about 20% soiled loss. And radiance is 798, which is fine. Back of the module are pretty hot, 54C, and it shows the tilt of the panels, 47 points. All right, I just finished the IV curve testing of the 5 clean and 5 dirty modules. Here's the rack. I just washed the GHI horizontal irradiance sensor here at pad 1, Calipatria. There's the 5 clean after I washed them. First I tested them dirty. You can see streaks. So these tested at like 98.9 or 99. So here we go. This is a soiling inspection. You can see all the modules are about the same. Somehow it rained a little bit, just a little bit. If it would have rained about 3 times as much, they'd be clean basically. And so here's our soiling sensor. The dirt on that lens looks just like the modules. And we're showing, without doing, getting out the Excel spreadsheet, it looks like my tests looked like they're about 19% soiled. And I think that's what the sensor told Angelo yesterday. So lo and behold, it's accurate once again. So, and then here's the POA near pad 1. These are all near transformer pad 1. And I'm gonna wash the POAs and the GHI, of course, and not the soiling sensor. It matches the panels. This POA at transformer pad 1, next to the soiling sensor, the little screws were loose. So I'm gonna tighten those up for the nuts. Okay, leaving transformer pad 1 where I just got done testing, going down to transformer pad 3 where there's one more POA, so I can wash that